The angelic announcement to Zechariah unfolds within the sacred rhythm of salvation history. The priest, representing all of Israel in the temple, stands offering incense, a symbol of intercession and of prayer before God, and heaven responds. The child to be conceived, John, is named before his birth. His name means Yahweh has shown grace. The barrenness of Elizabeth mirrors Israel's spiritual sterility. And Elizabeth's miraculous conception signifies to us that God is once again breathing life into his covenant people. The angel's words echo Malachi's prophecy. John will come in the spirit and power of Elijah, and he will turn hearts back to the Lord. If we long for peace within our hearts, it has to begin with repentance, with our hearts reconciled to fidelity to God in covenant. Jewish tradition held that Elijah's return would precede the Messiah's arrival. In John's birth, that ancient hope begins to blossom. Yet Zechariah's doubt shows how easily faith grows dull amid delay and waiting. The peace of God must first silence human pride. The muteness that the angel imposes upon Zechariah is a discipline for him to learn trust, and when his voice returns, it is to return firstly to the praise of God's faithfulness. This season of Advent, my friends, invites us to rediscover the silence, the stillness that proceeds from divine revelation, so that when our tongues are loosed, we may all proclaim the God who keeps his covenant and restores this deep abiding peace to the hearts of his children.